Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. In today's video I will be showing you how to remove the suggested apps on your start menu. This basically means that sometimes Windows 10 like to advertise apps they recommend you should install on your computer. For example, it could be here within the tiles, or it will just come up here above the most used apps. To remove this, all you need to do is go onto search and type in settings. Once you're in settings, you now need to go to the top right hand corner and click on personalization, and you need to go to start. You now need to untick where it says occasionally show suggestions in start. And that's it. It is as easy as that. You will no longer have Windows advertising apps to you that they recommend you should install. I hope this tutorial helped. If it did, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.